Now that I've got the neck flat and ready to install the fingerboard, I first need to build it. But first I want to get a little color on this heel. First I seal the raw wood with some shellac, then I mix up a medium brown to give it a color coat. And yes, I spray right over the binding as I'm going to scrape that back later. Now we can go ahead and build the fingerboard. And this is basically what we want the end detail to look like. And you might notice the neck is sitting here, not attached to the body. That's because a lot of this is edited out of order. Sorry for any confusion. Measurement wise, I have no idea, but we're gonna figure it out. First thing I want to do is get a center line on this board blank. This is the hardest part by it. There you go, it's all done. Now, so here I got some other numbers here. 0 fret, which is right at the end, going off the dimensions of the neck. Obviously, I want to meet this surface here perfectly, and I'm using the 60 thousandths binding. Okay, now I have that drawn out. Let's take it over to the bandsaw and cut this. Here it is cut. It's at this stage you hope you did it right. Let me just double check. Minus the bind 1.105. I'm at 1.212, so good there. 10th fret 1.305 413. So I've got it 55 thousandths oversized. So that's perfect. Okay, 19th fret's right here. Goes from this fret like it jumps over just about the same distance past the next fret. This comes over close to the top of that and hooks around. Something about like that. Hopefully you can see that. Trying to get an idea what it's going to look like when this clamp is in the way, but I had a little piece of the ebony chip out on me, so I put it back in place with a little super glue and did a little repair, but you'll see later that I didn't really even need to be bothering with this. So this fret here actually didn't need to be there. As you can see in this photo, there's a little gap right at the end. So I'm going to remove it and fill it, which is what I should have done to begin with.
I know, before you say it, this fret here is not supposed to line up there. The reason I pushed it is because underneath here was all the mess. And so I'm just kind of pushing reality a little bit here to make that work, so we don't have too much space behind the nut.
So this restoration is really coming along. I've got a few more steps to do before it's completed. So as always, if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and give me a like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you're not already.